Hey viewers, welcome to Uflyer, your one-stop channel for all kinds of IELTS material and general English. Today we will discuss about adjectives, its meaning along with suitable example. For those who are new to the channel and those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Watch the full video as you are going to experience use of good words. You can use these words to describe your subject and make your sentences look more attractive. Without any further delay, let's start with the video. We all know what an adjective is. If you don't know, it's not a problem. We are here to help you. In simple words, any word that describes the traits, qualities, or number of a noun is termed as adjective. Adjectives are very useful in narrating the characteristics of the subject, which is mainly a noun. Today we will discuss 20 commonly used adjectives which native speakers use more often. All words are explained with their meaning and an example. Number 1. Exotic. It means characteristic of a distant foreign country or non-native. For example, exotic birds migrate mainly during winters. Number 2. Energetic. Meaning involving great activity. For instance, athletes are usually energetic and works hard to remain fit. Number 3. Social. You can say relating to society or its organization. For example, alcoholism is recognized as a major social problem. Number 4. Charming. You can use it when the subject is very pleasant or attractive. For instance, a charming country cottage has been booked for our accommodation. Number 5. Ancient. Use it when you want to describe something old and non-existing. For example, the Roman Empire is an example of an ancient civilization. Number 6. Necessary. To describe something essential, you can use necessary. For instance, elementary education is necessary and should be made compulsory for everyone. Number 7. Fantastic. When the noun is extraordinarily good or attractive, you can use it. For example, Italy is a fantastic country for wedding destination. Number 8. Exciting. To describe something causing great enthusiasm and eagerness, use exciting. For instance, football matches are usually exciting to watch. Number 9. Modern. Meaning up to date or contemporary. Like, technology is an integral part of today's modern lifestyle. Number 10. Fabulous. Used to describe something extraordinary. For example, she was looking absolutely fabulous in her red dress. Number 11. Dull. Use it to show lack of interest or excitement. For instance, your diet doesn't have to be dull or boring even when you want to lose weight. Number 12. Fragile. To describe something that can easily break or get damaged. Likely, small ecosystems are highly fragile and sensitive to changes in temperature. Number 13. Temporary. Meaning not permanent. For example, the drug will give temporary relief from the pain. Number 14. Comfortable. Meaning relaxing. For instance, for hiking you need comfortable sturdy shoes. Number 15. Convenient. Fitting in well with a person's needs, activities, and plans. For example, the new car parking facility will make shopping much more convenient. Number 16. Suitable. Right or appropriate for a particular person, purpose, or situation. For instance, these books are not suitable for kids under 5 years. Number 17. Affordable. To describe something inexpensive or priced reasonably. For example, the restaurant serves delicious food at affordable prices. Number 18. Voluntary. Doing something at one's own free will. Like, the NGOs are funded by voluntary contributions. Number 19. Mandatory. Required by law or mandate. For instance, wearing helmets was made mandatory for pedal cyclists. Number 20. Immense. When you want to describe something extremely large or great, you can use immense. The cost of restoration of old historic monuments have been immense. That's all for this video. We will be back with more informative videos on IELTS vocabulary. Till then, learn and practice English. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel to get this kind of informative videos in future.